Hello, hello, beautiful peoples! Hi, guys! I'm at the beach. Life's beach. Vitamin C. Okay. So, bakit ako nandito? It's Panay Eagles Club's Christmas Party. At yung location ay dito sa Long Beach. Long Beach, Lambingan. So, ayan. Nandun yung port. Puok Seaport. Ayan. There, over there, doon. Yung part na yon, yun yung Bakawan Eco Park. Oy, tour guide yan. So, ayan. Ito yung kailangan nating pahinga. Okay. So, life lately. Very calming pag naandito sa beach. Pag walang voice, walang nanonood talaga masyado. So, kailangan natin mag-voice over, impromptu voice over. Ayan, ang ganda. Sarap maligo kung clear yung water. Pero hindi siya clear kasi nga umulan. So, ayan. Ganda. Ang ganda. Ang init. Ulap. So that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again later on my next videos. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. Happy Sunday. And as always, from my little world to yours, love, love, love.